Tired of the same old scrambled eggs and bacon for breakfast? Listen up, you lot. We're about to revolutionize your keto mornings with 5 easy, delicious recipes that'll make you want to jump out of bed with excitement. We're talking flavor explosions, not boring bowls of mush. Get ready for cheesy omelets bursting with freshness and flavor, creamy avocado and bacon bowls that are practically sinful, and fluffy almond flour pancakes that'll make you forget you're even on a diet. And that's just the beginning of our delicious journey. So grab your aprons and let's get this keto breakfast party started right now. First up, we're tackling the classic omelet, but with a keto twist. This isn't just any omelet, it's a game changer for your breakfast routine. Now, I know some of you are thinking, an omelet? Boring. But hold on, because we're about to elevate this humble dish to new heights. But trust me, this is not your average rubbery diner disaster. We're talking about a fluffy, flavorful masterpiece that will make you rethink breakfast. We're starting with a generous knob of butter because, frankly, fat is your friend on keto. Butter not only adds richness but also helps to create that perfect non-stick surface for our eggs. Let it melt over medium heat, then crack in 2 eggs. Make sure your eggs are fresh. It makes a world of difference in taste and texture. Don't even think about scrambling them. Let them sit for a minute to set. This is crucial for achieving that perfect cohesive omelet structure. Now for the good stuff. A handful of spinach goes on one side, wilting beautifully as the eggs cook. Spinach not only adds a burst of color but also packs in essential nutrients. Then, a sprinkle of sharp cheddar cheese because, let's face it, cheese makes everything better. The sharpness of the cheddar complements the mildness of the eggs and spinach perfectly. Once the cheese is melted and gooey, gently fold the omelet in half. This step requires a bit of finesse, but with practice you'll get it just right. Slide it onto a plate and give yourself a pat on the back. You've just made a delicious, nutritious breakfast in no time. This, my friends, is a breakfast of champions. It's not just about taste, it's about starting your day with something that fuels your body and mind. Packed with protein and healthy fats, it'll keep you full and energized all morning. No more mid-morning slumps or reaching for unhealthy snacks. Plus, it's ready in minutes, perfect for those hectic mornings when you're rushing out the door. A quick, nutritious meal that doesn't compromise on flavor. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile. You can switch up the ingredients based on what you have on hand or what you're in the mood for. Swap out the spinach for mushrooms, peppers, or even a sprinkle of chili flakes for a fiery kick. The possibilities are endless, and each variation brings its own unique flavor profile. Get creative and make it your own. Experiment with different cheeses, herbs, and spices. The kitchen is your playground, and this omelet is your canvas. Whether you're cooking for yourself or for your family, this omelet is sure to be a hit. It's a simple yet satisfying dish that everyone will love. So next time you're thinking about skipping breakfast or grabbing something on the go, remember this recipe. It's quick, it's easy, and it's absolutely delicious. There you have it, a keto-friendly spinach and cheese omelet that's anything but boring. Enjoy every bite. Next up, we're diving into a creamy, dreamy bowl of pure keto goodness. This isn't just any breakfast bowl, it's a symphony of flavors and textures that will make your taste buds sing. Whether you're a seasoned keto enthusiast or just looking for a delicious, healthy start to your day, this avocado and bacon dream bowl is sure to become a staple in your morning routine. This avocado and bacon bowl is so simple, yet so satisfying, you'll wonder why you haven't been making it every morning. It's the perfect blend of creamy avocado and crispy bacon, creating a harmony of flavors that is both indulgent and nutritious. Start with a perfectly ripe avocado, the kind that yields to gentle pressure but isn't mushy. The avocado is the star of this dish, providing a rich, buttery base that pairs beautifully with the other ingredients. Slice it in half, remove the pit, and scoop the creamy flesh into a bowl. Now, for the bacon. The contrast between the smooth avocado and the crispy bacon is what makes this bowl so special. And let's be honest, no keto breakfast is complete without a bit of crispy bacon. The bacon adds a savory crunch that complements the avocado perfectly. Fry it until it's golden and crunchy, then crumble it on top of the avocado. The key is to get the bacon just right, not too soft, not too hard, but perfectly crispy. Here's where things get really interesting. The toppings you choose can take this bowl to the next level. A dollop of sour cream adds a lovely tang, balancing the richness of the avocado and bacon. It's a small addition, but it makes a big difference in the overall flavor profile. While a sprinkle of everything bagel seasoning brings a savory depth of flavor, this seasoning blend is a game changer, adding a burst of flavor with every bite. Don't be shy with the seasoning. the more the better. It adds a delightful crunch and a complex flavor that elevates the entire dish. A few slices of fresh jalapeno add a welcome kick, but feel free to omit them if you're not a fan of spice. The jalapeno adds a bit of heat that contrasts nicely with the cool, creamy avocado. Finally, a drizzle of olive oil adds richness and brings all the flavors together. The olive oil not only enhances the taste but also adds a dose of healthy fats, making this bowl even more nutritious. This bowl is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with healthy fats, fiber and protein. It's designed to keep you full and satisfied, providing the energy you need to tackle your day. It's the perfect way to fuel your body and keep those cravings at bay. Whether you're heading to work, hitting the gym, or just starting your day, this bowl has got you covered. Plus, it looks absolutely stunning, don't you think? The vibrant green of the avocado, the golden brown of the bacon, and the colorful toppings make this bowl as beautiful as it is delicious. It's a feast for the eyes and the taste buds. So next time you're looking for a quick, easy, and delicious breakfast, give this avocado and bacon dream bowl a try. It's sure to become a favorite in your household. Enjoy every bite, knowing you're starting your day with a meal that's both tasty and good for you. Happy eating. Fluffy almond flour pancakes. Now who says you have to give up pancakes on keto? These almond flour pancakes are so light, fluffy, and delicious you'll forget they're actually good for you. First things first, grab your almond flour. This is our magic ingredient for achieving that perfect pancake texture without the carbs. Combine it with a touch of baking powder for lift, a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors, and a sugar substitute to satisfy your sweet tooth. Whisk in some eggs. These will bind everything together and add richness. Then, slowly drizzle in your milk of choice, whisking constantly to avoid lumps. You want a smooth, pourable batter. Now, heat a lightly greased griddle or pan over medium heat. Pour dollops of batter onto the hot surface, forming perfectly round pancakes. Cook for a few minutes on each side, until golden brown and cooked through. Stack those beauties high and prepare for a flavor sensation. Drizzle them with sugar-free syrup, top them with fresh berries, or get creative with your favorite keto-friendly toppings. Greek yogurt with chia seeds and nuts, a breakfast powerhouse. Let's be honest, mornings can be hectic. Whether you're rushing to get the kids ready for school, preparing for a big meeting, or just trying to get out the door on time, breakfast often becomes an afterthought. That's why I love this next recipe. It's quick, easy, and perfect for meal prep. You can whip it up in just a few minutes, and it's versatile enough to keep things interesting day after day. Say hello to your new favorite breakfast Greek yogurt with chia seeds and nuts. This combination is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. Start with a generous serving of plain Greek yogurt. It's packed with protein and calcium, making it a fantastic way to start your day. Greek yogurt is also rich in probiotics, which are great for your gut health. Now, for a boost of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, sprinkle in a tablespoon of chia seeds. These tiny seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, providing essential nutrients that support overall health. These tiny powerhouses expand in liquid, creating a lovely pudding-like texture. This not only makes your breakfast more filling, but also adds a delightful texture to your yogurt. Next, add a crunch factor with your favorite nuts. Almonds, walnuts, pecans, whatever tickles your fancy. Nuts are not only tasty, but also provide a good dose of healthy fats and protein. These healthy fats are essential for brain function and can help keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. Plus, the protein in nuts complements the protein in Greek yogurt, making this breakfast a protein-packed powerhouse. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats and protein, keeping you full and satisfied for hours. They also add a wonderful crunch that contrasts nicely with the creamy yogurt and the slightly gelatinous chia seeds. For a touch of sweetness, add a drizzle of sugar-free honey or a few drops of stevia. This not only enhances the flavor, but also keeps the breakfast low in sugar, which is great for maintaining stable energy levels throughout the morning. And if you're feeling adventurous, sprinkle in some cinnamon or a pinch of nutmeg for an extra layer of flavor. These spices not only add warmth and depth to your breakfast, but also come with their own set of health benefits like anti-inflammatory properties. This breakfast bowl is a dream for busy mornings. You can prepare it the night before, store it in the fridge, and have a nutritious meal ready to go when you need it. Prepare it the night before, store it in the fridge, and grab it on your way out the door. This makes it an excellent option for those who have little time in the morning but still want to start their day with a healthy meal. It's a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your body and conquer your day. Whether you're eating it at home, at your desk, or on the go, this Greek yogurt with chia seeds and nuts bowl is sure to become a staple in your morning routine. Sausage and cauliflower hash, a flavor bomb. Finally, we're finishing strong with a breakfast hash that's bursting with flavor. This sausage and cauliflower hash is the perfect way to satisfy your savory cravings while staying firmly on track with your keto goals. Start by browning some good quality sausage in a large skillet. We want it nice and crispy, with those lovely caramelized bits that add so much flavor. While the sausage is cooking, chop up some cauliflower florets into small, bite-sized pieces. Once the sausage is cooked through, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Now add the chopped cauliflower to the pan, along with a drizzle of olive oil. Sauté the cauliflower over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it's tender and slightly browned. Now, for the secret weapon spices. A generous sprinkle of smoked paprika adds a smoky depth, while a pinch of cayenne pepper brings the heat. Don't be afraid to experiment with your favorite herbs and spices. Once the cauliflower is cooked to your liking, return the cooked sausage to the pan. Toss everything together until heated through, and get ready for a flavor explosion. This hash is hearty, satisfying, and bursting with savory goodness. So there you have it, 5 incredible keto breakfast recipes that are guaranteed to make your mornings more delicious. And the best part is, these are just starting points. Feel free to get creative and customize them to your liking. Swap out the bacon for ham, add some avocado to your omelet, or try different combinations of nuts and seeds in your yogurt bowl. The possibilities are endless. The key is to find what you enjoy and make it your own. Now I want to hear from you. Which recipe are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to share your own favorite keto breakfast creations. Let's inspire each other to make mornings delicious. Which recipe will you try first? Let me know below.